Welcome back to Uncommon Reality. Give yourself a high five and say, I am awesome because you are, my friend, you are awesome. This episode is part of the Manifest Your Desired Reality series, where I am revealing 13 secrets that can help you go from where you are to where you want to be. When creating your desired reality, you must understand secret number six, which is how your mind works. In this episode, I will show you how you can start understanding your mind and taking control of negative thought patterns that sabotage your desired manifestation. I will also teach you how to replace those negative thought patterns with empowering ones. It's going to be an exceptionally powerful video, so stay tuned. I call this alternate education that is not taught in your school or college. This education can be applied in the real world to get real world results and success. Make sure to download the free workbook that is specifically designed for this course if you haven't already. The link is in the description. Let's begin. To easily understand how our mind works and how to take control of our negative thought patterns, it is best to understand the analogy of the garden and weeds. I want you to imagine this. Imagine that your mind is a garden, and every single thought you have is like a plant in this garden. Some of these thoughts help, support, and uplift you to create your desired reality. They are like beautiful plants and sturdy trees with beautiful flowers and shade that you want to nurture and grow. But other thoughts, the ones that tell you things like, I'm not good enough, I don't deserve this, it is not possible for me, I'll never be financially secure. These are harmful and disempowering beliefs, and they are like the weeds, and they don't sit idle in a corner. They spread, they take up space, and they start using up all the resources, the water, the nutrients, the sunlight that your positive, empowering thoughts need to thrive. So, just like a garden, if you let weeds grow, your garden will have a hard time thriving. These weeds or negative beliefs drain your energy and focus. This energy is essential for the thoughts that help you reach your goals, dreams, and the life you want to create, the reality that you want to create. Now, if you have tried gardening, you know that pulling weeds by their tops does not work. They will just come back because the roots are still there. You have to dig in and pull out the whole root if you want to clear space for the plants you really want to grow. And it's the same with our minds. Simply ignoring or pushing away negative beliefs doesn't always work. They tend to come back, sometimes even stronger. To really clear them out, we need to go a bit deeper and make a conscious effort to replace them with beliefs that are positive, supportive, and most importantly, believable. Here's how you start weeding your mental garden and making space for thoughts that support your desired reality. Let's say you have a thought like, I'll never be financially secure. Making money is just too hard. When this comes up, pause for a moment and ask yourself, is this a weed in my garden? If yes, if the answer is yes, recognize that this thought is holding you back from moving forward. Instead of letting it sit there, try replacing it with something your mind can actually believe, like, I am learning how to manage my finances better every day. Or I have skills that can help me increase my income gradually, or I'm developing these skills. Notice that these new thoughts are not saying, I am a millionaire or I am completely financially free, the way they teach in those big seminars. Because if those statements feel unbelievable, your subconscious mind will not accept them. Instead, the affirmations or the beliefs must be realistic and they must still be empowering because they focus on growth, which helps keep your energy moving in the right direction. Take another example around health. Maybe you catch yourself saying, I'll never be able to stay fit. I'm just not cut out for it. Here again, pause and ask yourself, is this a weed in my garden? If it is, replace it with a thought that feels doable, like, I can start by adding small, healthy habits into my daily routine. Or I am capable of making small changes that improve my well being. This isn't about telling yourself something your mind finds too far fetched, like, I am in perfect health. Instead, it's about planting a thought that feels like a small but real step in the right direction. And relationships are another big area where these weeds tend to pop up. You might think, I always end up with people who don't value me. Relationships just aren't meant for me. But if you ask, is this a weed in my garden? And realize that it is limiting your openness to new healthy connections, you can replace it with a belief like, I am learning to set boundaries and attract people who respect me. Or, I deserve healthy relationships and I am open to people who appreciate me. This new belief keeps you open to the possibility of positive relationships without forcing a drastic shift in mindset that feels untrue. The idea here is to regularly tend to this mental garden by identifying thoughts that don't serve you and making a conscious choice to replace them with ones that do. Like in any garden, checking in regularly makes it easier for you to spot those weeds early. Similarly, being aware of your mental weeds and replacing them with empowering thoughts will create a healthier and more positive mental space and allow you to manifest your desired reality. Observe and use your awareness when they show up. Ask yourself if they are really helping you, and if not, replace them with empowering thoughts that propel and sometimes nudge you a bit closer to the reality you want to manifest. Remember, you need not replace it with a perfect thought. Sometimes only becoming aware and knowing and acknowledging that you have the power to create your own reality and follow the steps taught in the entire series, the Manifest Your Desired Reality series, right, will help you. Leave your thoughts in the comments. Let me know which thoughts you want to replace and what powerful belief you will replace them with. This will help you become aware of your weeds. Let's continue on this journey of manifestation and realizations. You see, I am launching Foundation X and Meditation X programs based on alternative education that are designed to provide you with real knowledge that you can start applying to see real results in life, to attain personal mastery in life, increase your performance, and be in alignment with what you desire. If you found this video useful, go ahead, like it, drop a comment below, and of course, subscribe if you want more insights on manifesting the life you desire. Let's keep clearing those weeds and making space for the reality we want. I will see you in the next video, the next episode, where I'm going to reveal to you secret number 7. Stay tuned, and until next time, take charge.